Hey, let me tell y'all niggas what's going on. Matter of fact, I should tell them later when niggas is actually cooking this shit.
Show them what we got right now.
I'll give y'all a good explanation then. I'm gonna give y'all a good explanation now. Me and Laisla is cooking some curry salmon. Well, look. This is how it was supposed to start out. I actually wanted to cook something for her myself. Like, I wanted to do it on my own, you feel me? Some romantic shit. I was trying to be on some GC shit. I'm like, ooh, I wanna cook for my shorty, da-da-da. But then Laisla, she low-key controlling as fuck. Yeah, Laisla is controlling. Nah, she not controlling. She just like to help and shit. So she wanted to help me do it. We always cook together, most definitely. Well, she usually do more of the work, but we usually cook together. So I'm like, fuck, it'll be funner if we both do it anyway. But it was supposed to be for her, so look, the intentions was good.
Yeah.
I just ain't
gonna eat it.
Yeah, facts. Right. You gonna eat it and enjoy it, right?
Yeah.
I bet. Fuck it. So we about to do that. I think we were showing y'all earlier about the we had like the onions and stuff there. Look at the salmon. That's the back of it.
Salmon.
Yo, flip that real quick. Give me that good look. Don't mind that pot right there. I'm eating porridge this one out the pan. Don't ask me questions.
Got it in acid right now in lemon.
Don't worry. That's why I look like that, right? Alright, we gonna show y'all when it's seasoned up and all that. Look, nigga, this ain't no goddamn cooking video. I'm vlogging because I haven't been posting no video at all. So, some content is better than no content. Plus, you feel me? I wanted to come back on a vlog tip. It's just more intimate with y'all, you feel me? 800 subscribers now. Lace, 800.
800.
800 and like, I don't know if it's like 806. Nah, I'm capping. Whatever the case is, 800. Welcome. It took me a minute. But you know what I was saying? It did take me a minute to get to 800, but I wasn't posting consistent for like a calm 3 months, 4 months. Nah, longer than that. I probably wasn't posting consistently for like a couple months, 6 months or so, whatever the fucking case may be. So, I know if I pop, I'm not even gonna say nothing. Y'all see. Look how Shorty prepared it.
I cut a little fillets, you know?
No, that looks good.
You know this little conventional cooking boy. I know y'all ain't never seen this. You just throw it in a pot like that.
Like these.
Yeah, like these. You can fold it and everything.
Nah, it looks good. I'm gonna show y'all when it looks seasoned and all. I just wanted y'all to see the nice little cut. For y'all all the whole work. My job really the rice right now. You feel me?
Yeah, you gotta put that.
I gotta do the rice. The rice be taking life sometimes a little bit. Alright, let me get some of that.
I want to lemon it again.
Oh, I can't even do that because I'm gonna have to clean the rice.
You trust it.
Gotta wash my hands. Salah pen? This is enough. Nah. Use your head, Jason. Probably like one more. Alright, this will be fun because you already know how rice gets. This is perfect. Oh shit.
Shit's dirty.
Oh shit.
Damn.
Fuck. Damn, this thick ass glass. I can bust a nigga his cranium with this shit. And he gone, man. I'm like, wow, Cody. I'm a dad cookie exactly how he did it.
Right?
Dad, if you're watching this like you do, I'm doing it just like you, guy. Look it. Back this window on.
Where can I fry it? Which pan?
Huh?
Where should I fry
What are you talking about?
it? The chip, the fish.
Oh, you said you was gonna do the little one, didn't you?
Oh, it'll work, yeah. I got the curry in there already with oil. And I put the peppers, cilantro, the green onions, the regular onions, green bell peppers.
Ooh. That looked like a whole bunch.
Not that bad.
That's not.
You got a lot of fish.
A lot of fish.
Do that. Let the vegetables cook down.
Y'all see, I'm doing something. Look at my hands. Oh, alright. So you know I was over here chefing it up, giving it some seasoning, a little bit more. Let's see. I got a white tee on. I'm out here fucking with curry.
I swear I'm on top.
Huh?
So I swear I'm on top.
I know there's nobody in our age group. Hold on. That's chefing it down like this. Chef Lil H and Chef Lil J in this hole. Oh yeah. Look at my little pans. We got little pans in the house and all that. But we're gonna do that.
Just to crisp up the skin.
Go ahead, explain it, baby.
You're gonna put it in the pan, crisp up the skin. Then put it back into
this pan right here, right here. She looking all cute and shit.
Onions,
with her hair all wait. Alright, so you're gonna put that, get it all crispy and stuff like you said, and put it back in here, you feel me? And then we gonna you gonna see how we gonna sauce this up. Watch. That's not even done. Yo, mind you, this is our first time making it. Nah, you're not gonna
just want the crispy skin.
Alright.
That's good?
That's perfect.
A little more.
That look good. Mad fish too. I didn't know it was gonna come out to that much. Whoa.
I was trying to tell you.
Yeah, it's fine though. That's perfect. We eating. Nigga, we eating. That's it.
So what you doing, Jay?
Alright, my nigga. So you know, you feel me? I'm hitting that coconut rice. You feel me? Yeah. Oh, move your shit. Chill. Throw some coconut milk in your rice one day. Ooh. That shit might change your life. You feel me? Hold on. Just a little bit more. You see that? Not too much. You don't want to drown that hole. Let me throw that right there on the sea real quick. Excuse me, ma'am. Look at that. Huh? Say,
we added some butter beans and some green beans.
Yeah, facts. Spill.
Constantly on the road, cutting up in the streets like we would never get old. Went from Lucy's and buses and 50-cent sodas and Novas to home.
Niggas is about to eat. Look how I look. Yeah. First time, son, eat. I'm gonna tell you how this shit tastes. I'm gonna tell you how it tastes in a minute, alright? Let me try it first. You. Ooh, let me get the little salmon in there too. With some green beans. Yeef. I'm a very honest dude. I'm gonna definitely tell you if this shit is trash. Like both of us, cause we both worked on it.
Nah.
I think we good. We look good, babe. Cause this is slop.
Good job.
Nah.
This shit good though.
I'm not even capping, bro. I'm not even lying. Nah, I gotta put this shit down. It was a success. It was good.
Yep. Don't. Okay, too.
Alright. She's eating her nacho cheese. See, it was real good. Thank you for cooking it.
Thank you. You were cooking it. Stop. It was your meal.
How? I mean, it was our meal. Anyway, we did that. Alright, so yeah. I hope y'all like this vlog though.